In this video, I'll show you how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook using two simple methods. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, it really supports my work. Let's start with the first method, which you can do directly from your Facebook profile. Begin by opening Facebook and navigating to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon next to the What's on Your Mind section. Once you're on your profile page, go to Personal Details. Scroll down to the bottom until you find Contact Info, then look for the Social Media section. Tap the Edit pencil icon, and you'll see your linked WhatsApp account. Click the pencil icon next to WhatsApp and select Remove. Make sure to save your changes, and your WhatsApp will be removed from your Facebook profile. Now, if you want to completely unlink your WhatsApp account from Facebook, follow the second method. Tap the three-line menu, usually at the top left or right, depending on your app. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Account Center. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. Look for WhatsApp in the list and select Manage next to it. You'll see an option to move out of this account center. Tap on it, then select Move Account, and continue. Once you confirm, your WhatsApp account will be fully disconnected from your Facebook account. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up.